Different dietary supplements and vitamins have proven effective at reducing blood sugar, which helps lower the risk of developing prediabetes or diabetes symptoms. Vitamins or supplements can also lower the side effects of diabetes medication. Vitamins that help lower your blood sugar levels are: 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 supplements may assist a person having diabetes that is also deficient in the vitamin. For instance, a 2016 study observed that metformin may make people experience vitamin B12 deficiency and anemia. As such, it may be beneficial to take vitamin B12 supplements. An individual can check their vitamin B12 levels by having a blood test. 2. Vitamin D. While more research is still necessary, some evidence shows that vitamin D may lower the risk of developing autoimmune conditions, such as type 1 diabetes, and may boost insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, a 2022 research pinpoints that adding vitamin D supplementation to insulin therapy may help to slow disease progression in children with a recent diagnosis of type 1 diabetes. 3. Vitamin C. A 2016 study reveals that vitamin C may boost glycemic control and insulin sensitivity. It notes that vitamin C could play a protective role in the prevention of the development of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, a 2017 study adds that adults with prediabetes or diabetes have a higher vitamin C requirement. The study shows that vitamin C may counteract low-grade inflammation and oxidative stress that plays a key role in diabetes development. At the end of the day, be sure to talk with your diabetes team before making any changes. Your healthcare provider can help you figure out if it's a good idea to add a vitamin or supplement to your routine.